This is a presentation on cigarette smoke, its components, and its health risks. This also has a bonus video at the end demonstrating an experiment on how to extract cigarette smoke into water.
Chemical constituents can be in the particulate phase, gas phase, or both. Chemicals can pass through these different phases. The concentration and travel of the smoke from the cigarette causes changes in the particular size. If the chemical is volatile enough, it can remain in gas form and pass through a filter. This filter gets wet during the first few puffs of the cigarette. Thus, some chemicals may adhere. In the gas phase of a cigarette smoke, it contains the following: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are a result of the combustion of tobacco. They represent 15% of the gas weight, with carbon dioxide being more abundant. It also contains small amounts of nicotine, with higher amounts in side stream smoke due to the higher pH level. Mainstream smoke is released from the butt end of the burning cigarette during puffing, and side stream smoke emanates from the burning cigarette coal when it smolders. As for the components of the particulate phase of the cigarette smoke, it contains the following: carboxylic acids, phenols, water, humectants, nicotine, terpenoids, paraffin waxes, tobacco specific nitromycins or TSNA, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons or PAH, and catechol. A tobacco leaf contains many alkaloids, but nicotine is the most abundant of them all. Nicotine is addictive since a part of the nicotine molecule is similar to an important neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Since nicotine is highly soluble, nicotine gets absorbed easily into the lungs or the respiratory tract and blood of the human body. With more absorption into the respiratory tract, more nicotine delivery to the brain, thus, more addiction. A tobacco leaf also has some metals. It is absorbed from the soil, air, and fungicides and pesticides. Cadmium and lead are some of the most common metals it contains. Most metals become volatile at the cigarette since it can burn up to 900 degrees Celsius. But by the time it is inhaled, it changes from a gas to a particulate, making it harder to absorb in the lungs.
Smoking cigarettes comes with its own health risks. Cigarette smoke is mutagenic and cytotoxic. Mutagenic means that they can change the genetics in some organisms, while cytotoxic substances usually have specific destructive action on cells. Some of the adverse effects of smoking include causing cancer in many places such as the bladder, blood, cervix, colon, rectum, esophagus, kidney, ureter, larynx, liver, oropharynx, pancreas, stomach, trachea, bronchus, and lungs. It can also cause type 2 diabetes mellitus and rheumatoid arthritis. These are only a few of the many risks of smoking. These risks can also be felt by people in the surrounding area due to secondhand smoke, meaning there are more people at risk than just one smoker. To conclude our video for today, here is a short demo of the extraction of smoke into water.
The material needed to make an improvised smoking machine is water, plastic bottle with cap, glue stick, screw gun, cigarette, empty pen, and cotton. First, let's prepare the bottle. Make a hole in the cap and in the lower part of the bottle using the screw gun. Insert the empty pen into the hole in the lower part of the bottle and secure it with a glue stick to ensure there are no leaks. You can put water in the bottle once the glue is dried. Place the cotton in the bottle's opening and top it off with the cup with the cigarette inserted. But instead of a cigarette, we have replaced it with a straw. For it to work, the cigarette needs to be ignited and remove the cap of the pen to let the water flow, as the pressure in the bottle will be filled with the smoke from the cigarette. The cotton that acts as a filter will further be used in chemical analysis.